3-phase induction motors, AC machines to 3-phase induction motor. Objectives. Here star delta stator function and star delta starter working with diagram. Star delta starter current and torque equations. Here types of starters. DOL starter, it is full voltage starting. Auto transformer starter, it is reduced voltage starting. Star delta starter, it is at the starting reduced voltage starting. Rotor resistance starter, it is used for slip ring induction motor, and 1, 2, 3 are used for both squirrel cage and slip ring induction motor. The fourth one is used for slip ring induction motor. Here the function of star delta starter, this type of starters are used for motors which are designed to run normally with delta connected stator winding. At the instant of starting, the two-way switch is thrown to start position, which connects the stator winding in stator. That means here star. The each stator phase gets V by root 3 volts, where V is line voltage. This reduces the starting current to 1 by 3 times, and hence the starting torque. Figure 1 shows the circuit diagram of star delta starter. Here there's given figure. Star delta starter. See here. This is the star delta starter. L1, L2, L3 supplies, and here the rotor, the terminals and buttons. See once. Watch this one. star delta starter. Functions of star delta starter. When the motor speed pickups, the two-way switch is thrown to run position, which reconnects the motor winding terminals in delta. Motor winding terminals in delta. Now the motor is on full line voltage. In making connections, care should be taken such that sequence of supply connections to the winding terminals does not change while changing from star to delta connections. Otherwise, the motor will run in opposite direction. This type of starters used for motors operating between 5 HP and 20 HP. This is the star delta starter. Figure 2. Here 3-phase supply. This is 3-phase supply. This one is 3-phase supply, and this is here the main switch terminals. Here this is the TPDT, triple pole double through. Here this is triple pole, this switch is triple pole double through. Here this switch will convert from, at first it is star connection, after that it is delta connection. Here this is the stator. This is the stator, and this one is rotor. This one is rotor. So here by changing this switch we can convert from star to delta connection and at the stator side to reduce the current from high current to low current at the starting time. The arrangement of star delta starter is shown in the diagram in the next slide, figure 2. It has TPDT, tripole double through switch, which connects the stator winding star at start and then delta while normal running condition. Hence, this starter is suitable only for motors which are designed to run with a delta connected stator winding. Now star delta starters with protective devices is three phase. Here, see, observe this one. R by B, this three phase supply, main switch. Here, this is the star delta starter. The starting here, the switch is at the starting, the switch is in this way. At the running condition, the switches are in this way. For this is the delta and this one is star. Starting star and under running condition delta connection. This is the stator. Here the relay contact, this is the relay contact, and stop button, under voltage coil, and also overload relay. An actual starter incorporates under voltage coil and overload relay as shown in figure 3. Wiring diagram of star or delta with protective devices shown in figure 3. Working of star and delta starters. Initially, when switch is in the start position, the starter winding gets connected in star. That is here, V phase is VL by root 3. V phase is VL by root 3. So the voltage across each phase get reduced by factor by root 3. Due to this, the starting current also gets reduced. The starting torque also gets reduced. So when the motor picks up speed, switch is thrown to run position. Hence, stator winding gets connected in delta. Stator winding gets connected in delta. Now, V phase is equal to VL, rated voltage. Now, each phase of the winding gets rated voltage. The operation of switch can be automatic by using relays, which ensures that the motor will not start with the switch in run position. Its cost is cheap as compared to auto transformer start. Starting current here, VL, line voltage is starter, star connection, VL by root 3 is phase, and IL is line current. Delta is, IL is line current, VL is line voltage. Here line voltage is VL and the line voltage is VL in the delta, but here phase voltage is VL by root 3. Phase, here the voltage is converted, this voltage is converted to VL. In star connection, I phase is equal to V phase by Z phase, that is VL by root 3 by Z phase. Now VL by root 3 Z phase and IL is equal to I phase. In delta connection, V phase is VL and IL is root 3 I phase. Root 3 V phase by Z phase. Here root 3 VL by Z phase. Alex. Here IL star by IL delta, that is IL, that is VL by root 3 Z phase. So in delta root 3 VL by Z phase. So that is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3, or otherwise IL start is equal to 1 by 3 into IL delta. IL delta. Thus, this method reduces the starting line current to 1/3. Relation between starting and full load torque. As we have seen that starting by full load current is equal to x square into ISC by IFL whole square into SF. Here where x is factor by which voltage is applied. Relation between the starting and full load torque is, in this case, x is equal to 1 by root 3, that is, so TST by 2FL, that is equal to 1 by 3 into ISC by IFL whole square into SF. So here the starting current equal to 1 by 3 into full load torque. The starting torque is equal to 1 by 3 into full load torque into IS by IFL whole square into SF, that is equal to 1 by 3 starting torque with direct switching. Hence, with star delta starting, the starting torque is also reduced to 1/3. From the above expression, it is clear that the star delta starter is equivalent to an auto transformer starter of a ratio 1 by root 3 or 58% approximately. Here advantages are star delta starter, low cost and simple. Disadvantage is torque too high causes snatch, torque too low motor stalls. With transition peak up to 20 Ln, motor can stall in transition. Summary. After the completion of this topic, we know connection of diagram star delta starter, function of star delta starter, and starting current and voltages equation star delta, and relation between starting and full load torque equation.